Calibrating the graphics settings on your Steam Deck can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck setting. Navigate to the main menu and select the Settings option. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various system preferences. Step 2. Select Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Graphics or Display section. Here, you will find options related to resolution, refresh rate, and other graphical features that can be adjusted. Step 3. Adjust resolution and refresh rate. Choose the resolution that best suits your gaming needs. Higher resolutions provide better visuals but may impact performance. Also, set the refresh rate according to your preference and the capabilities of your display. Step 4. Configure graphics quality. Within the graphics settings, you will find options for graphics quality presets low, medium, high. Select a preset that balances performance and visual fidelity based on the games you play. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. Launch a game to test the new settings. Pay attention to performance and visuals. If necessary, return to the graphics settings to make further adjustments until you achieve your desired experience. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate the graphics settings on your Steam Deck for optimal performance and enjoyment. Happy gaming!